in a hive with a virgin queen and a queen that has not yet emerged, the virgin queen will try and kill the other queen before it emerges. This is what she's doing here. She's going to rip the cell open and try and kill it. She's chewed a hole in the cell, and now she's going to try and chew the larvae and kill it. This is all perfectly normal for a virgin queen, and normally a death sentence for any larvae that's exposed. What is not normal is what is about to happen. As soon as she leaves, the bees start to repair the cell, and in a little while, after about an hour of time, they completely repair the cell. What's really incredible is that while I was editing this video, they did it again. The queen chewed another hole in it, and they repaired it again, and the cell is fine. Come to my live stream and see how the cell is doing.